Hi there. So for today's video, I have decided to show you one of my static HTML projects that I've just recently finished. So part one of this video is around just showing you this front end website, and what I have done as well is attached a WordPress backend to the site so that the two are totally decoupled. They're completely separate, and I don't even use the WordPress theme at all. And obviously the benefit of this is that I can work with complicated structures in just using HTML, and then I pull all the WordPress data from the WordPress application backend using the WordPress API. So yeah, so basically what I've done is made use of a lot of SVGs for animation. You can see the logo animates, and then one of the requirements was that the icons animate as well. For this I used a platform called SVGator. It is a paid for service, but it's month to month, and I just took out a 1 month subscription on it, and then I cancelled it. But just that 1 month period was enough for me to be able to create the animation. So it's really a cool platform. I mean, you can see here, I'm not going to go into too much detail, but it's a full, almost like a studio, an animation studio, and you can export as SVG. So that's how I created these icons. So you can see they work pretty well, and I built in a link on each icon to a link to each of the pages, each of the sub pages, which is built into the SVG itself. And just another feature on this home page here, you can see that I've made use of these dynamic angled backgrounds as well, and plain text. Alright, so that's the home page, and then on to technical applications. So I guess I should talk a little bit about what this product is. So what the product is, it's Multigrid, and it's a honeycomb type of structure that is placed onto a foundation of ground, and then the soil or the terrain is built into the Multigrid honeycomb structure. So what it does is it gives much better support for whatever's sitting on top of it. So you can see here, in terms of technical applications, we've got roads for building roads, for holding up walls, even used in railways, and then on slopes and valleys and hills to protect the earth and to stop, I guess, soil erosion and things like that happening. So what we've got on this page in terms of the website built, I basically just embedded these converted MP4s, and these were actually taken from the site previously was a Flash website. So I don't know if anyone remembers Adobe Flash. And these were FLA files, and then we converted them to MP4s and embedded them in a video object, and then so they just play through like that. So yeah, all right, cool. So then following that is the gallery. The gallery I built from scratch using modals in Bootstrap. What is Bootstrap? If you don't know about it, let me just do a Google search here quick. So Bootstrap is a really great CSS framework. I've really enjoyed using it. I've been using this for years, and they definitely keep up with regular updates. The documentation has improved dramatically, so this is really a great start, for getting your HTML and CSS up. They've got, in terms of the framework, in terms of layout, and then they've also got so layouts there, and then they've got components as well. So you've got various accordion. These work really well. This is really a good solution for building up the structure of a website. Okay. So then the gallery, so I've just used modals, and it's got a simple open and close button, made use of really nice really nice photographs. And then next up is the contact us page. Very simple, making use of the Multigrid animated SVG as well. And then each of these, if you click on it, then it opens up your default mail browser, and then you can also click on this, on the number, and then it will attempt to make a call if you're from a device or if you've got Skype connected there. And then the last page is the brochures. So this section is where potential resellers can download information in PDF formats and PowerPoint. So yeah, this is one of my sort of smaller static HTML projects. I mean, I would do work on much bigger web applications, but I really do enjoy these little mini projects. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and see you again tomorrow.